We'll get back to that in a moment, but first I wanted to remind you that nominations are open for the Food Chain's Global Champion Award. We're looking for a person or organisation determined to change how we eat, to make it safer or fairer, less wasteful or more delicious. For details of how to nominate and terms and conditions, go to bbc.com/foodchain before February the 15th. In this episode, we've been meeting people who've travelled long distances to discover certain dishes or ingredients. And later, we'll hear from a pilot who chartered a plane for his favourite curry. Up next, to Portugal, where it seems no distance is too great to travel to catch its favourite fish. Here's Michael Rossi.
Lots of countries have songs about fishing, but there can't be many with songs about a particular fish. This music, a traditional Portuguese fado song, talks about the codfish as a fiel amigo, or a faithful friend. Now, you don't usually eat your friends, but you get the picture. The variety most popular with the Portuguese is salted cod. That is, fish preserved by drying after salting. Cod and the Portuguese go back a very long way.
The codfish belongs to our memory. Since you are little, you have codfish in so many meals, especially Christmas time, and there's always that special way that your grandma used to cook it. So you have this all these good memories of eating codfish.
I think it was important for us because of the cost. It was cheap. In the past, it was good for us. The faces, the tongues, we ate everything.
Portugal has long had a voracious appetite for salted cod. On average, every person eats some 30 kilograms of it per year. That's more than most other Europeans eat of all types of fish. It seems the Portuguese will go to any lengths, or at least send their fishing fleet to any lengths, to get it. I'm here aboard the Santo André, the St Andrews codfish ship in the fishing town of Iavo, halfway up the coast of Portugal. And I'm here with Captain José Pequeno, a fisherman of several decades.
Isto é como uma espécie de chamamento.
This is a kind of calling in this part of the country. My father was a cod fisherman, my brother and also brothers-in-law too. So family, all linked to the sea, so I followed the same path.
E o mesmo percurso.
When José started out 40 years ago, he usually went some 3,500 kilometres to waters near Newfoundland, on Canada's east coast. But in 1976, Canada restricted access to its waters for foreign fleets. The Portuguese demand for cod meant José and his colleagues simply had to find somewhere else to fish.
Fomos descobrindo novos áreas.
We looked for new areas, the whole of the Atlantic. I fished near the Faroes, Greenland, the Falklands, also South Africa.
Eu pesquei na África.
Most of the Portuguese fleet eventually headed to the seas near Norway, almost another 800 kilometres further from Portugal. The greater distance means the cod is more expensive to catch. Add to that the fact that with only 10 active long-range vessels, Portugal's fishermen generate less than a quarter of the salted cod consumed here each year. The rest is imported, which can leave Portuguese consumers at the mercy of the global market. Álvaro Garrido is a professor of economics at Coimbra University in Portugal.
We remain high importers, high consumers, but not high producers. How efficient economically is this for a country that doesn't have Atlantic cod in our maritime coasts? It's very strange, not very rational. In 1967, for the first time, the Portuguese government tried to replace consumptions for salted cod because the prices rose. In fact, the Portuguese people, the Portuguese market didn't replace salted cod. So this is a cultural resilience.
Michael Rossi there. We've been talking about the distances people travel for their food. But for our last story, we're going to meet someone who went to great lengths to have his food brought to him. 660 kilometres to be precise.